In case you're like me and you have some sport pedal installed, you realize that this footrest pedal here looks really kind of a little bit boring. The same supplier which sells the pedals on Amazon, they have now a footrest which just goes in here like this. To install it, you gotta remove the mat first though. Let's take it out. Don't forget, when you take the rubber mat out, always push it down here a bit. Same on the other side. Now as the mat is out, you can take here that footrest. You will see here on the side which goes to the right, it has like a slight curve. It looks like some real good, decent quality. On the back there's just a tape. Let me remove the film of the tape. Make sure here where you want to put it on, it is clean. I just wiped it off with some interior cleaner and let it dry off. Press it on. Once it's pressed on, you can put the rubber mat back in. Of course, make sure press it down, both sides. Now it looks really cool. Now you got some matching footrest to the foot pedals. Here I show you how the footrest looks like when you have the regular floor mats installed. And you see it looks even more nice as you would have the rubber mats installed. In case you want to know where I bought the items, please check the link in the video description.